Okay, guys, we got a 2018 Chevy TRAX. This bulb doesn't work over here. This one does. As you can see, there's two bulbs in here that's supposed to lit up with your once you turn on your headlights. And we got a little bulb that's supposed to be here is out. So we're going to open this headlight out. We're going to change a few bulbs. And you should be able to have access to all the bulbs here. So let's pop this trunk open. And we're going to pop this clip right here. 1, 2, and get this headlight out. So a flathead screwdriver, anything such as this, pick would, or a bulb started to work. So it will make contact. Filament will make contact. And if that's the case, you still got to go change the bulb, okay? So we got 2-liter Phillips head screwdrivers. So we went and got this. And what we're going to do here is we're going to turn this right here. And then same thing down here. So this doesn't mean you don't go ahead and attempt to fix it, because that filament, every time you hit a pothole, it will move and it will lose contact and you will no longer have bulb. So it will go on and off for you. So once this is out, I'm gonna just play around with this. And don't break it, yank, because a lot of people, they like to go crazy. So it's gotta come straight back, and it's probably got a few clips, front, back, top. So you do gotta take this off. So sometimes I like to be careful with the paint. Customers are very dangerous people to work with. And so we got a whole bunch of bulbs in here. So if you need to change all these bulbs, each one of these is a bulb here, okay? So if you see 3 wires, so this is the bulb you're gonna change. This is the one if you see 3 wires like this connector got, that means it's a dual filament bulb. This is a single filament bulb, which came on. I'm gonna have to turn the lights off because this will burn my hand. And come on, the way they design things nowadays. So, okay. This is a single filament bulb, but I don't know, somebody put dual filament bulb in there. But we'll go get some bulbs, but I need to turn this off first. I don't want to burn my hands. And all you're gonna do here is you're gonna pull this guy out just like that. I'm gonna go get another bulb, and then let's turn this too counterclockwise. And this should be 194 bulb. There you go. Let me go get 2 bulbs. Okay, I went and got me some bulbs. So 194 bulb goes in here. Remember, if you're touching your hand, make sure your hands is nice and clean. And reason why I say that is because you will shorten the life of the bulb. So 194 is the bulb size here. And I don't know why this guy doesn't want to go back in there. There you go. And I'm going to use a single filament bulb over here. This is 74 40 bulb size. And single filament, meaning so 1 filament in there. So you see what I'm doing here? You got to take it easy, because a lot of times these bulbs can crack in your hand. But I got no choice since I'm attempting to make a video here. So get this bulb in there, and then we'll continue. I need to use both of my hands. So just push it in. So small problem, guys. This didn't accept a single filament bulb. And I tried a dual filament bulb. And dual filament bulb goes right in. So the number here is 7443, okay? And then we're gonna twist this on. We're gonna twist this one on. You guys probably thinking I'm crazy letting this light hang, but nothing is being stretched, okay? So it's gotta, okay. So before we lock everything up, what you need to do is, let's let you guys understand how this goes. So you got a clip going in here, and then you got this little hook going in here. So you got this little guy and these 2 hooks. So this thing gotta go perfectly straight line, and it's not in yet. Line one more time. It will go in there, but let's take a look at this. If it starts to work now, should I open the window all the way? So we got that bulb working and that working. So this is all working. We're good to go, guys. Put the screws in to make sure this aligns perfectly. And just gonna tap on it and everything should be solid. And you're gonna get one of these in. Go all the way in. So it's the same process for reverse bulb and the other bulb. They're all the same thing. Same situation. You gotta take out the headlight for all of them. So best practice, usually customers are asking me to change what they want. Best practice is once this is open, change them all. If you're doing this side, do that side. The bulbs are like, you could get 2 bulbs for $5. So you're gonna spend 20 bucks and do all the bulbs because the other bulbs are almost ready to go. And then these covers, these little guys, they just smack right in. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video.